Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download Monopoly Go on your PC. Now Monopoly Go is a mobile game, so it's not available for PC, so we need to download an emulator which is going to help us run mobile on our PC. For that, you want to search for BlueStack download. So just search for BlueStack download on your browser. After you search for BlueStack download, click on download BlueStack. Once you click on it, you want to choose download BlueStack 10. And if BlueStack 10 is not supported on your PC somehow, you can also download BlueStack 5. Once you click on it, the download will start. Once the download is complete, you can go on your downloads folder and then install BlueStack. And once you click and install BlueStack, you want to open up BlueStack. And your BlueStack will open up just like this. Once your BlueStack opens up, from inside BlueStack, you want to click on Play Store. And once you open Play Store on BlueStack, it's going to ask you to log in into your Google account. Once you log in into your Google account, at the top where it says search, just click on it. Just search for Monopoly Go, and the Monopoly Go game will be shown over here. You can click on install. The game will start to install. Now once the game downloads and install, you can see your open button over here after it's complete. You can click on the open button to open Monopoly Go and start playing it. Or you can also click on Monopoly Go at the outside screen once it downloads, and you can click on it. It's basically like your phone, but instead of using your finger, you're going to use your mouse to navigate and use it. So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.